Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add weights to Logitech G703. To do this, we'll need to take a look on the bottom of our mouse like this. Then you can see the circle right here. Press your finger into the spot like that and it should open this slot. Then we can take our weight and place it inside. And it floats around, which is kind of weird because the magnets or nothing actually catches it. Okay, maybe that's the fault of my mouse because it's a second hand. Maybe something is broken, but you can... Or actually, okay, what holds this weight is the hatch, this hatch right there. So we need to align it like that and then close it. And yep, it doesn't float inside our mouse and our weights are applied. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.